Today I'll show you a quick tip on how you can restore your bent plastic figures. The most common technique is to use hot and cold water. My advice is to use a big bowl so that the part of your figure that you want to straighten can be totally submerged in the water. It can also be a good idea to have some paper and tweezers handy. So submerge your plastic figures in the water for about 5 seconds or something. I think this needs a bit more actually. It should go back to its original form, but some figures might need a little bit of help to get back to its original form. And then I try to submerge it in the cold water, how I want it. Nice, it works well. If you're not happy with the results, you can just repeat these steps as many times as you like. I also think that you can straighten your figures with a hairdryer. Baby?
Yeah?
Where do we keep the hairdryer? So, I haven't tried it. I've also seen online that you can do this to figures with a lighter. I will try it with the piece I don't really care about. Wish me luck. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, you know what to do. Happy gaming and see you next time.